And what this is this is a dot plot. Now, you're going to see the nice thing about a dot plot, okay, is it's already ordered. So we got 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, and 66. And then I'm going to put these little tick marks in between. Basically what that means, if this is 54, that's 55. And then I give you the following values. We had one president that was 46 years old when inaugurated. Here's 47, no 48, 1 at 49. We had 3 at 51, 3 at 51, 2 at 52, 3 at 56, 4 at 57, 1 at 62, and 1 at 65. I would imagine that was President Reagan. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to calculate the mean. All right, the mean of this set of data. And what we're going to do is, again, remember, the mean is the sum of all the entries divided by the total number of entries. And to get your total number of entries in a dot plot, you just count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 entries in this data set. And then what you do is, now I go and I calculate, and I'm going to take 46 plus 47, and you should be doing this now as well with your calculator, plus 49, plus, now pay attention to the way I did this, 46 plus 47 plus 49, plus 3 times 51. Now, you can punch in 51 plus 51 plus 51, that's fine, but I'm going to shorten it, plus, we got 52 times 2, plus 56 times 3, plus 57 times 4, plus 62, plus 65. I get a total of 922. And I'm going to take 922 and divide that by 17, my total number of entries. I get 54.2. 54.2. So the mean age at inauguration for this data set for the presidents was 54.2. Now, I can actually do the median now pretty easy. Okay, now again, it's an even number. So my median is going to be the middle number of this ordered pair. The nice thing about a dot plot is it's already in ordered arrangement, okay, from smallest to largest. So since my total value is 17, I'm going to have 8 numbers below and 8 numbers above. 8 plus 8 gives me 16. So the middle number is the 9th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 56 is my median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers above. 56 is my median. And My mode is the number that appears most often, and in this data set, the mode is 57. That's the number that appears most often. That's the age that appears most often. There's 57 entries for for the age of the presidents at inauguration. Okay? Any questions on this? Okay? So, that's mean, median, mode. I got one more example. All right? One more example. All right? Quiz scores. Quiz scores. So the following are your is a set of quiz scores. Now, I'm going to give this to you in what's called a stem and leaf plot. All right, a stem and leaf plot. So, I get 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 0, 1, 3, 5, 5, 6, 9, 0, 0, 1, 4. And 6. All right. So, with a stem and leaf plot, you should have seen stem and leaf plots before. Every stem and leaf plot needs to have what's called a scale. All right, a scale. And my scale is 6. All right. So in other words, this is a 62, a 64, a 66, a 70, 71, 83, 85, 85, and so forth. Now, again, now it's time to calculate our 3 M's, our 3 measures of central tendency. Mean. I'm going to take the sum of the entries and I'm going to divide it by the total number in the data set. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 in my data set. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to calculate now the sum of all the quiz scores in this data set. So again, you should be doing this now. Take your calculators and add them up. 62 plus 64 plus 66 plus 70, 70 plus 71 plus 83 plus 85 plus 85 plus 86 plus a couple of 90s plus a 91 plus a 94, come on, 94 plus a 96 equals. All right, and then I'm going to divide that by the total number of entries, 14. And I get a quiz average of 80.9. Remember, rounded 2 decimal places.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
All right.
I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, now I'm going to continue. So I got 1,133 divided by 14 gives me 80.9.
And it's a D-Day, and your lunch today is chicken patty on a bun, baked tater tots with lettuce and tomato, and nacho chips. That's it for now. Have a great day.
All right. Nice short number of announcements today. Median. This is the first one where we've had an even number in our data set, 14. Okay, 14. So let's talk about, again, review. If it's an even number in your data set, then the median is the average of the 2 middle numbers. So since I have 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My middle numbers are my 7th and 8th number. Now, the nice thing about this average, this data set is my two middle numbers are both 85. And the average of 85 plus 85, hopefully you understand, is going to be 85. Okay? But let's say this was a 84 and that was an 85. Then my average would be 84 plus 85 divided by 2 would be 84.5. All right. So, last measure of central tendency is the mode. Well, the mode is the number that appears most often. Well, 85 appears twice and 90 appears twice. So in this one, I have two modes. My mode is 85 and 90. Okay? So to summarize, three measures of central tendency that we talked about today are mean, median, and mode. Mean is the average of a data set, add them all up and divide by the total number of entries. Median is the central value of your data set. You'll take the ordered arrangement and you'll take, if it's odd, the middle number. If it's even, you'll take the average of the two middle numbers. And your mode is the number that appears most frequently. You could have 0 modes, you could have one mode, or you could have multiple modes, depending on the frequency that the numbers appear. All right? Your homework will be assigned on Google Classroom.